In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Forms to a website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, run a survey, or collect information from visitors, embedding a Microsoft form on your site is a practical solution. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. It's important to use a trusted and familiar browser to ensure a smooth experience. Once you find Microsoft Forms, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Now, with access to your dashboard, open the form you intend to embed on your site. This could be a new form you've created or an existing one. Looking at the top right corner of the form interface, you'll notice a button labeled Collect Responses. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will open a pop-up window presenting you with several options for collecting responses. In this window, you'll want to select the Embed option, which is typically represented by a symbol that looks like angle brackets, similar to this. Once you've opted for the Embed feature, you'll be given choices regarding the format of the embed. You can choose Inline if you want the form to appear directly on the page, creating a seamless experience for users as they scroll through your content. Alternatively, the pop-up window option can offer a distinctive interaction where users engage with the form in a separate window. Select the format that best fits your website's design and user flow. Having chosen your preferred format, you'll see an option to copy the HTML iframe code. This is a critical step, as this code is essential for adding the form to your website. Click Copy to store this code in your clipboard. Next, navigate to the back-end editor of your website. This might be through a content management system like WordPress or another platform you're familiar with. You'll need to switch to the HTML or code view, which is often labeled with similar angle brackets. Paste the iframe code you copied earlier into the content area where you want the form to appear. Now, before saving your changes, take a moment to adjust the height and width values within the embed code. For example, setting the max width to 100% ensures that the form scales appropriately across different devices, maintaining a user-friendly experience on both desktops and mobile. Once you've made these adjustments, it's time to save or update your web page. By doing so, your form will be live and ready for responses from visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a Microsoft form on your website. With these steps, you've enhanced your site's interactivity, collecting valuable data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the other features and benefits Microsoft Forms offers.